Hello People&Blogs, it's me Joy. I really appreciate you all. I'm glad that you all like my work. I just started posting my video content few months ago, and within few months I started seeing positive responses.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello People&Blogs, it's me Joy, back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this iPad Pro 2021. This iPad Pro right here is genius because it's the best tablet you can buy in 2021 with dazzling speed, A12Z bionic chip, long battery life, improved cameras, trackpad support, and the great laptop replacement. Let me tell you why. It's because it supports mice, trackpad, and you can simply buy a Bluetooth keyboard or Magic Keyboard, connect it with your iPad and type like a pro. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me start from the beginning, which is the unboxing part. In the box you will get all the product details, 18-watt USB-C power adapter, and in the back it's written the 256GB iPad Pro 11-inch second generation, and inside the box you will get all the product details, warranty card, and all other papers. For more details you guys can check my unboxing video up next. I have bought this space gray 11-inch iPad Pro because it's so easy to carry. Look at the beauty, it's nice and shining like a crystal. Okay, let me tell you more about this product specification. It's iPad Pro 2nd Gen, 256GB, space gray with 4 speakers. You guys can see. And 2 in front, 7 megapixel front camera and 12 megapixel back camera. Also beside the back camera you guys can easily see this LiDAR. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. LiDAR is a remote sensing method that uses light in front of a pulsed laser to measure distance to the subject. These light pulses generate accurate, high resolution 3D information of the object, which enables the iPad Pro to use all the AR apps. For example, if I select this measurement app, you guys can see I can measure anything on my room. For example, if I select this guitar, I have to select the top of the guitar, and if I go all the way down with that straight line and select the down part of my guitar, it will easily show me the length of the guitar. Selecting both top and the down part of my guitar, it easily shows the length of my guitar, and apps such as this measurement apps works with this LiDAR, and this LiDAR helps all the AR apps to work. And you guys can clearly see that this LiDAR is throwing UV rays in front of the object. Although there are a bunch of other AR apps, but I mostly use this Measure app from Apple. This Measure apps helps you to take measurement of any random objects in your room. You can easily use the Measure app and get the precise measurement. For example, the length, width of any random objects. You can check things if it fits in a certain place or not. I mostly like the sound quality of this iPad Pro. The quad speakers sounds really great, and the voice recorder works the best. Hello People&Blogs, it's me Joy. I really appreciate you all. I'm glad that you all like my work. I just started posting my video content few months ago, and within few months I started seeing positive responses.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I'm also surprised with this charging and battery life. I can charge it fully within 4 hours, and it will last 10 hours if I use non-stop. All in all, I can say that this product is worth buying. I would highly recommend to all the students out there and people who are looking for a tablet or a laptop replacement. For me, I will use it for my university classes, projects, video recording and editing for my YouTube channel, and much more. So guys, that's it for today with reviewing my iPad Pro 2021. See you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out.